little light of mine, it's like my peace of mind. Even when I'm in the dark, still gotta let me shine, let me fly. My mind's got wings on it, got a blue, got a brown, got a pink on it. My neck girl's got a sick wallet. I splash cash and I drink solid. Woo!
That's going fairly straight. Don't give it full beans, because I don't want to smash it up. It's suddenly come alive though. It's absolutely come alive. It really tank along. I just don't want to hit any curves. Oh, didn't like that. That flex, see that flex? I want to get rid of that as well, because that's just not helping bad. Let's stiffen it up a bit. Amazing how much faster it is. It's really, really sensitive. So when you get a bit of speed up, I really, really don't want to smash this against the curb, because it's going to finish the front end off. It's suddenly fun to drive though. Look at that, you drift it about, you can speed it. Go nuts. I'm not overly convinced on the steering though. It's so sharp, with a bit of speed to it. Dead twitchy. Feel like in a bit of an open space. It does feel like it's, I don't think it's going straight, exactly. Whoa. Oh. The tyres are doing a lot better than I was expecting now. I've ordered all sorts of different tyres. I didn't think these were going to be up to the job. This is ace fun now. This is what I was trying to build. Something that makes you feel like it's going to tear you apart. It's really going to fly when it gets some legs on it. I just haven't got the space. Oh, it's brilliant. Mission accomplished already. Oh, it starts to veer off as it gets some speed up. And I'm a bit nervous. If it gets a stone in it at full speed, I don't know how to steer it. Oh, it's jittery. Steering needs dialing down, so the sensitivity needs dialing down. The controller. Yeah, it needs more space. Right. Oh. Hey?
You've had an RTC.
Whoa! Yeah, I think this is faster than that. Right, that's what I could call a proper test run that I'm happy with. That's spot on. Absolutely spot on. The old glitch with the steering getting stuck again, but I'm going to have a look underneath. Let's have a look now. I haven't got the camera set up properly, but sod it. Just crack on. I'll have a look now, see if that cover worked. See how much dust we've got. Yeah, the cover's got some muck on it. Look how much muck's inside, I think. Absolutely none. Totally clear in there. Totally clear, motor temps alright. ESC's blowing away, they always do. There's no pudding there at all. That's worked really well. Not convinced something's not getting stuck on the steering linkage. It's not quite straightening up, but It's great just as soon as it moves. Yeah, steering needs dialing down, but yeah, I'll quite be happy with that for well, a couple of hours work really. Brilliant.